Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DeBank for cross-protocol DeFi positions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for DeBank, which is debank.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see options for various wallet connections. Select the wallet you would like to use for logging in. If you choose MetaMask, click on the MetaMask option. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, prompting you to connect your wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to approve the connection. If you select another wallet, follow the specific connection instructions for that wallet. Once connected, you will be redirected back to the DeBank dashboard. Here, you can view your wallet balance and existing positions. To explore cross-protocol DeFi positions, navigate to the DeFi tab. Click on it to access different investment opportunities across various protocols. Review the available options, including lending, staking, and liquidity pools. Select the position you wish to engage with by clicking on it. Follow the prompts to execute your desired transaction. Confirm any necessary approvals in your wallet. After confirming, return to the DeBank dashboard to review your updated positions. Ensure that you keep your wallet secure throughout this process. Now you are ready to manage your DeFi investments on DeBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.